Welcome to the unboxing of a midfake L-Drago.
The gold one though. So like...
Gold edition. Something, I don't remember what I ordered. This is going to be...
Is that even...
Okay. Not much. The L-Drago looks nice.
Oh, it would be nicer if it was real.
So, round one would be Gold L-Drago Destructor versus midfake Leon. How do I feel about this? Ooh.
Leon
It seems
actually
close.
gonna lose here.
If Leon loses,
this is gonna be depressing. I honestly hate my life. Leon loses here. Oh.
okay, 1-0. Leon's leading.
Contact, start. This L-Drago already dying.
I think I screwed up my launch again.
I mean, they're both dying though, so I guess it's
They're
equal.
dying equally.
Oh, I guess they're both.
I think...
Mess up your launch.
Yeah, I messed up my launch. Just breaks off my launcher. I feel like that wasn't... I feel like I need to relaunch that. Hasbro's Winged Pegasus? Or Winged Pegasus, my bad.
Exactly.
Versus the L-Drago again.
Exactly.
Oh, it seems...
Actually... He's not gonna spin still, is he? Okay, well, you want to switch modes, maybe?
Didn't even launch.
Really can't want that.
What's happening when Filter really launching that? I'm sorry.
Relaunching? Oh my...
This... Like, look at that.
Oh my gosh. Just hold...
You know what? I can't.
Earth Eagle versus whatever his name is. Oh, that launch.
Oh,
Actually? Well, I mean, it...
that was the most competitive we've seen. Oh. 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 Okay.
Wow, finally doing something. You literally launched him again. Okay, don't get hit out, I swear. This Eagle, if Earth Eagle loses to this fake ass L-Drago. Maybe at least. Oh, well, he's dead now, but.
Seems to be worse than Leon though. Glee.
Basalt versus L-Drago.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That's an L.
There's no way. Oh, apparently it is. Still even worse. Oh, I mean, it is fake.
But I thought it was real this entire time. Hasbro or midfake?
It's still going. Yeah, Hasbro versus Mythic.
No, I'll take this launch. Oh. I just suck at launching. I swear.
Oh,
Okay, it's a draw.
Hey! Hey! Finally! He actually hit it out. Oh. Oh, draw again.
Oh, I
Unfortunately, I'm not gonna cut this audio out though. Save the final. Oh wow, is that another draw? Oh,
This is the third match. I don't even care. Oh wow.
wow, he's gonna beat Blitz Striker.
He actually might.
Yeah, it's because he's got a dusty ass tip. You really can't clean it, can you?
I'm not cleaning it for this stuff.
Really got the worst launch I've ever seen. Can't even keep your Beyblades in good condition when they're really expensive.
Hey, I finally flowered.
I mean, not really. He stopped suddenly.
That's not my problem. I did the initial.
Is he actually gonna win this? It's gonna be depressing if he wins this. Oh wow!
Wow!
That's not a flower, buddy. What are you doing, pal? Is he gonna win again? Wow, Blitz Unicorn is really that good.
No, he took an L.
He lost to a mid-fake
I'm
Beyblade?
switching to.
Oh my gosh.
Should that be a relaunch?
Nope.
That was an ass launch.
Wow, Blitz Unicorn is so good. Oh my gosh.
I don't want to count that. And yeah, we're not counting that.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit.